Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show how to resolve one SQL entry question. How to get part of the string in the string column in SQL. So obviously there is substring is there to get the part of the string. But before using the string function, first you need to see the data of the. This is the prod table which contains ID and prod underscore name. Now if you observe the data, prod underscore name, which includes ID as well, ID, product name, and sale date. This is the combination of the prod underscore name. I want to extract extremely the product names like laptop, desktop, tab, keyboard, and webcam from among these three combination values of the prod underscore name column. So how can I get? I will show in this demo. First, I am taking all columns from the table. Before that, you will know one function called ParseName function. ParseName. So this function will extract object from the given values object names. Suppose how this function will work, I will show now. ParseName. My server name is admin dot. My database name is sample dot. My table name is product. This is the string I am giving. From this string, I want to extract one. I want to extract one. If I execute this query, you will get table name. This is my server name. This is my database name. This is my table name. So I want to extract one. One means it will take table name. If I change this as 2, then you can get database name sample. If I change it, the number as 3, you will get server name admin. So I am using the same function to get the product name from the product table. I want to replace all underscores of the prod underscore name. Replace, take 3 arguments. First one is string, and second one is substring. Substring here I want to replace as underscore. And third one is what is the replacement character. Here I want to replace with dot symbol. Dot symbol. If I execute this query, instead of dot underscore, you will see dot symbol between product ID and product name and sale date. You will see dot symbol. So now on top of this, I am applying ParseName function. ParseName function I am taking 2 as I am giving alias name as product name from this table. See product names, different product names as per the given in the column. So first I am replacing the product name of underscore with the dot symbol, and on this function I am using the ParseName function to extract the product name, that is middle. If I give the number as 1, you will get sale date. Sale date, you will get sale date. See here. If I change this as 3, you will get prod ID. So this is how you need to extract the part of the string from the whole string. It contains prod underscore name is a varchar data type. It is a string. I want to extract part of the string, that is product name, by using replace and parse name. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.